Hi guys, it's Nitu and I'm here with a look inspired by Ayumi Seto. She is a Japanese idol, trendsetter, fashion icon, and I really love her and I look at her fashions a lot. The trend that I've been seeing with her and someone called Rinrin and some other Japanese idols recently is the blush under the eyes look, and it's really great for spring. It's really baby dollish. It's really kind of fresh, young, anime-ish, and yeah, I guess kind of like baby doll, but I really like it. It's really cute. I might be too old for it, but if you're interested in how to do it, please keep watching. So I've already primed and prepped my face with primer, concealer, and BB cream, and I've got an acne there. I don't know if it's showing up, but it's a big one and really hard to cover up. So just using an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to highlight first. Highlighting usually is the first thing I do because I usually start with the lighter colors and I highlight my inner corners. So just take a lighter eyeshadow or highlighter to highlight the inner corners. Under here, I'm gonna go down my nose as well a bit. They say it's good to highlight here as well for more of a glowy look. They say it makes your lips look bigger. I'm not really sure about that. No, let's go. Excel. I don't know if you can see that there. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette by Excel. It's a Japanese brand and it has, you know, a brown, a pink, and a white color that is even better for highlighting the corners of your eyes. This pink is very transparent but leaves a lot of sparkle on it. So, but I'm gonna go for like, you know, a lovely pinky, it's like barely pink, you can hardly tell, pink kind of eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pink all over.
I'm coming closer so you can see better. I'm putting the pink all over.
Take a brown shadow and I'm using a different brush. This is not the right brush, but anyways, I'm just putting it almost like an eyeliner, but putting it thicker at the end.
So yeah, I'm just trying to make it darker at the end and lighter going in, but just put a little bit here and then I put more at the end and make it wider at the end as well.
So this is what it looks like after. Taking the same brown, I'm gonna do the under part of my eye as well with brown. So it looks like I'm wearing kind of eyeliner, but it just darkens the lash line. And I'm just going to blend this part out of it as well so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm using a liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to line the top of my eyes. So I do extend it a bit more than the end of my natural eye. And I'm just gonna clean up the line a bit more. So it's quite round and I extended it even longer than the end of my natural eye. And when you've done both eyes with the eyeliner, it's time to put mascara. I'm using the Innisfree Jumbo Mascara. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the mascara over that. You can also do your brows after this. I'm just going to brush them. You can just use a brown powder and do your eyebrows. Or whatever, brow care, whatever you want to use, sorry. So now I'm going to take this bright pink blush and put that right under my eyes, and that creates this look that's so popular, or with some people it's popular, with some it's not. It depends on the person, you know. What I'm going to do is from here, from the inner corner, I'm just going to be putting it like that. So not too close to the nose. And then I'm going to go like that as well. So from here and then a little bit out like that. And the same on the other side. And up, do it like that. And try to get it even. So it's a pretty strong kind of pop of pink. We're gonna see how it looks on me, and I'm a medium light kind of skin tone. So the blush look is as simple as that. Now, usually people wear pink lipstick with this. So I'm just gonna put this pink. This is by Etude House. It's JPK 001 Sweet from the Sweet Jelly Lips line. I love that line so much because it's so moisturizing and it's just great for winter and my dry lips. It feels like a lip balm, but it's kind of pretty similar to the Maybelline Baby Lips line as well, but just the color is amazing. So that's it. This is the look. It's that simple, and it's supposed to be like, you know, cute and lovely, and it's very fresh and springtimey as well, I think. If you like this look, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!